Shooting. How are we doing? Oh, yes! Let's go! What's up, bros and does? It's the second day of duck season here in Indiana. Yesterday we seen a lot of ducks, but they were flying pretty tall. Weren't coming in, traveling, but today we're getting some wind. And yeah, they should be flying today. We think they're gonna be landing in the ponds. We tried hunting the field yesterday. They didn't want it, so hopefully they come into the pond. We got about 45 minutes for it shooting light. 30 minutes probably actually. But y'all stay tuned, like and subscribe. Yeah. We are ready. We're at the same spot that we were last year opening day. And we killed 3 greenheads. But yeah. It was a lot colder last year.
Yeah, definitely.
Is it snowing?
It should get windy today. It should be fun.
We'll see. Emmy, you ready to shoot your first duck you didn't shoot last year?
Thanks for telling the people that.
They saw the video.
We have a new scientific project going on, so we'll see if I have better aim.
Steven snuck up on one and didn't shoot.
No.
Scared.
All 6 of them just landed in that other pond.
Small one.
Did you see all them? Alright, we got ducks over here. So we're gonna go, there's about, I don't know, 2 dozen maybe, a dozen ducks over here. We're gonna go jump them up out of this pond. I've just been watching them land, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens. We're taking the GoPro. Emma, come around.
Did I get that one or did you get that one?
No, you got that one.
Did I get that one or did you get that one?
No, you got that one.
Alright, so we got Mallard right there, I threw the hen over there. And they're looking for some more. I think, oh, he's still flopping. I think there's a drake over there that Jackson got. But we for real don't know how many ducks we shot. There was so many. And then 2 ducks just flew over there where our decoys were. But we just jumped these things up. And we got them. Shoot, yeah. What we got?
Huge. We got a hen gadwall.
That one's huge.
And Emma got her a mallard.
My very first one.
My first hen. Gadwall.
Whatever a gadwall is. Oh, those feathers are really pretty. Look at that.
Oh, that's no mallard.
It's got a nice pattern on them. Look at that mud. Dude, he's so big.
Yeah, that one's big.
Oh, he's so pretty.
He's got like brown face.
Beautiful. Are you okay?
Well, none of them landed on us.
Nope.
But we've seen a bunch of them land in the ponds over there where I killed my first duck 2 seasons ago.
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Dang.
We snuck up on them and there was probably like 15 of them in that pond.
Yeah.
We smoked 3 of them.
Yeah.
Got our first gadwall. It's a hen gadwall. At least we think it's a gadwall. We don't know much about ducks.
Maybe.
It's got webbed feet, so I mean.
It's a duck.
It's good.
And we got 2 mallards. Emma shot her first duck today. Nice mallard. Nice green head. But yeah, I've seen lots of ducks. We're gonna be back out here, so this is probably the end of this video. It's probably just the beginning. So y'all stay tuned. We'll see you.
Let's
Alright,
go.
it's the afternoon. And she already sees some ducks. We left because Emma had to go to church. Jackson had to go to work, so we're about to sneak up on these ducks. They're in the pond we're wanting to go to. I wasn't even looking, but
I wasn't even looking at the pond that we're about to go in.
we're gonna see if we can get them.
Look at that again. Look at that.
In that corner. See him back there? No. If we can get up to this opening. There. That way we both can shoot it. Is that on? Alright, come here in front. Alright. Ready? Alright, you're just gonna literally take a step over there. And they should be right here. Alright.
Yeah, I should actually.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Tell me whenever you're ready, stand up and just step. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Did you get 2 of them? Where was it?
Going forward.
Where was it?
It was right there.
He's probably dove down. Just keep your eye out.
I knew I'd that up.
Oh, you did good.
What?
You did good.
I'm gonna go back to the farm.
Heck yeah. We just got some more ducks. Give me some. I think we got a hen and a drake. Explain to him what we did.
Okay, so we're making a blind right now.
What? We shot 3 ducks.
Oh yeah, I forgot we shot some ducks. Let me just get them real quick.
She's got all 3 of the layouts on her back.
Oh, wait a minute.
Got a lot to carry.
Hen,
Yeah.
2 drakes.
Nice. Tell them what happened.
Well, okay. So you saw us over there when I was saying that there's some ducks in the pond like Jason did not see. So we started just, walking kind of low over there, and then we started army crawling right there. And then we popped up somewhere over here, I don't know where.
Started blasting.
And then started blasting.
We got 3 of the 4. There was another drake with them, but we missed
Yeah.
it.
But I mean, we got 3 out of 4, so that's good.
Yeah, we got a single man limit today. More than a single man limit today. We got 6 ducks. Heck yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna go get a hatchet and whatnot, and then make this blind even better. But that's it right there. Show them what we got. We got some floating pine limbs.
Yeah, we put some pine tree limbs in that. And then we're going to be standing in the cattails.
It's gonna be pimped out though, don't worry.
What?
I said it's gonna be pimped out though, so don't worry.
Yeah, we're about to work on it right now. We decided to
Yeah.
give up the duck hunt.
Yeah, I mean, we got,
some.
how many this morning? We got
3.
3 this morning and 3 when we just got here, so.
6 total.
We gotta focus on better blinds so we can just be more comfortable.
Yep.
And then we can keep getting more and more.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.